First, stop comparing yourself to everyone else. It sounds cliché, I know. But listen closely. Comparison is the thief of joy. And more than that, it's the thief of identity. Every time you compare, you tell yourself, I'm not enough. I should be more like them. And over time, you start believing it. Think about scrolling Instagram. You see a friend traveling the world. Another one buying a new car. Someone else with a picture-perfect relationship. You don't think, good for them. You think, why not me? And in that moment, you lose twice, because you feel worse about your own life, and you ignore the good things already in front of you. The truth is, you're not supposed to live their story. You're supposed to live yours. Every minute spent comparing is a minute stolen from building your own path. Second, stop talking to yourself like an enemy. Most people don't realize it, but the harshest words they'll ever hear are the ones they tell themselves. You miss a deadline, and you whisper, I'm so lazy. You make a mistake, and you say, I'm so stupid. You look in the mirror, and you think, I'll never be good enough. Would you ever say those things to your best friend? Of course not. Then why do you say them to yourself? Your brain is always listening. And if the only voice it hears is you tearing yourself down, what do you expect it to believe? You don't have to be unrealistically positive. But you do need to stop being cruel. Try this: instead of saying, I can't, say, I'm learning. Instead of saying, I failed, say, I tried, and I can try again. You'd be amazed how quickly your confidence grows when you stop treating yourself like your worst enemy. Third, stop seeking validation for everything. This is a big one. You post a picture, and you refresh to see the likes. You share an idea, and you wait for someone to say, that's smart. You accomplish something, and the first thing you do is send it to a friend for approval. Listen, validation feels good, but it's addictive. The more you chase it, the more powerless you become without it. And here's the problem: people are inconsistent. Some days they'll cheer for you, some days they'll ignore you. If your confidence depends on applause, you'll always be at the mercy of other people's moods. Fourth, stop procrastinating on the things that matter. This one might sting. Every time you say, I'll do it later, what you're really saying is, I don't believe in myself enough to start now. You delay the workout. You delay the project. You delay the dream. And every delay chips away at your self-trust. Because confidence is built on one simple thing: keeping promises to yourself. When you say you'll do something, and you actually do it, you feel unstoppable. When you say you'll do something, and you keep pushing it off, you feel weak. It's not about productivity. It's about trust. And if you can't trust yourself to follow through, how can you believe in yourself at all? So start small. Do one thing today that you've been putting off. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. Show yourself you can be counted on. Because here's the truth. Self-doubt doesn't come out of nowhere. It's built. Brick by brick. Habit by habit. The good news? If you built it, you can tear it down. So let's get into it. Now, here's the takeaway. Self-doubt isn't a personality trait, it's a habit. And habits can be broken. Stop comparing yourself to others. Stop tearing yourself down with your own words. Stop chasing validation like it's oxygen. And stop procrastinating on the things that matter most. You'll be shocked at how quickly your self-worth starts to rev. True confidence is built in silence. It's when you know your worth, even if nobody else is clapping. Stop living for likes. Start living for purpose. But here's the question I want you to sit with. Which of these habits is stealing your confidence the most right now? Because awareness is the first step. The moment you see the trap, you're already halfway free. So I want you to do this: drop a comment and tell me which habit you're going to stop doing starting today. Share this with a friend who needs the reminder. And if you want more straight-to-the-point lessons like this, make sure you subscribe. Because your confidence is too important to let these small, daily habits destroy it. It's time to take it back.